Hello and welcome to this short walkthrough where I am going to show you exactly how you can use your WordPress Copysites plugin. This is a plugin that will help you if you run more websites to copy content from one to another automatically. Basically, you don't have, for example, to create separated posts on all of your websites. You can just create a post on one website, use the plugin and copy that post to all of your websites. And also you will be able to do other things very similar to that. Now let me show you basically how you need to set up everything and how you can install your plugin in order to be able to use it. Probably you have already downloaded the plugin on your computer. Now what I want you to do is go on your website, log into your administrator dashboard on your WordPress website, and this is what you will see there. First of all, before installing the plugin, we have to make some settings here, and also you will have to go to the file manager, to your control panel of your website, in order for us to be able to set up everything so that we can use the plugin. But first things first, what I want you to do is go to your administrator dashboard, go to the settings section, go to the permalinks option here that you will see in the settings section, and in the common settings you have to change from DN name, or maybe you have the plain one set it to post name. Okay, so basically you have to check this this box here, post name. Okay, after that press the save changes button. Okay, and now what I want you to do after this is set, go to your control panel of your website, to your file manager where you have your WordPress folder installed, okay, for your WordPress version. Now this is what I am doing. Most of the time it will be in your public HTML if you go to your file manager on your control panel, and mine is installed. Let me just find it here. Okay, here your will probably just be installed in the public HTML. That's where your website will most probably be, but you know better where it is. Now what you have to look for is this file, WordPress configuration file. Okay, this one here that you can see on my screen. You have to right click on it, select the edit option, edit, okay, and scroll down. Let me just see. Okay, scroll down till you see this option here. Okay, define WordPress debug false. Okay, just below this option you press enter, and you want to insert this WordPress allow multi-site. Okay, this is what you want to insert. Okay, you will also have this line of code in your documentation file, in your PDF documentation file for the plugin. So this is what you want to insert. Now we will have to save the changes. Okay, now let's go back to our website. Okay, let me just refresh it. Okay, and now we are back to our website. Now if you go to the tools section here, you will have an option which says network setup in your dashboard. Okay, click on that option, network setup, network title, network admin email. Let me just give my email here. Okay, gmail.com, and you give a name to your network, and you press the button install, right? And this is it. Now you will have two things to do right now. Okay, you will have to copy and paste this code. You go again in your control panel, okay, where your WordPress is installed. Again in the WordPress config file, mine is already open because I didn't close it. And now below this, below the last line of code that you inserted, you have to insert this new line of code. Okay. And what we will have to do is press, after we insert it, we press save changes. Let me go back. Now I am back into my admin dashboard, and the next one, okay, the next line of code, you have to look for this file .htaccess. Okay, you have to look for this file in your in your control panel where your WordPress is installed. If you don't have this file, create it. Okay, and insert this line of this code here, this piece of code in that file. Okay, if you already have this file, rewrite everything with this. If you don't have it, create it and insert this code there. Okay, let me go back to the control panel. I don't think I have it here. I have it on my computer and I will have to upload it there. Okay, let me just edit it. Let me see, open with. I'll have to open it with a notepad. More apps, let me check with the notepad. Okay, and this is what I will put, that code there. And let me save it. Okay, let me just, I will have to copy it. I will put it on my desktop. I'll have to rename it to nothing. Okay, and now I have to upload it here. Okay, or let me just create it here if I can find it here. Now let me upload it. Now I'll have to upload it here in the control panel. Or let me edit the other one because I had another one, this one, which has no name. Okay. Nope, this is not what we need. Let me go back. Just bear with me for a couple of seconds, guys. I have to copy the code again, paste it again here, save the file again, and let us upload it here. Okay. Overwrite file. Yes. Okay. And this is it. Let's go back. We have overwrite to the file. Everything should be okay right now. Okay. Our network is completed now. Okay, we have to log in again. Let me just check my passwords and everything. You have to log in again to your website. Okay, to your administrator dashboard. Bear with me for a couple of seconds. And this is it, guys. Okay, very, very simple. If you look here in the left top corner of your website, now you have your network set up. Okay, so this is the first step. You have to set up this network and to allow basically WordPress for you to run multi websites. Okay, now what I want you to do is go to my websites, network administrator, go to dashboard. Okay, and also here you'll have plugins, right? Go to the plugin section, go to add new. Okay, and now basically we will upload our plugin. Click on the upload plugin, and let me just copy my address from here where my plugin is located on my computer. You probably have it in the download file. Now press the button choose file. Okay, I will paste my address here. Again, probably you have it in your downloads file or somewhere. Okay, this is Copysites. Okay, this is my plugin. I will press the button open. Then we click on the install now button. And this is it, guys. Okay, we press network activate. And this is it. We have our new plugin installed. Okay, it's very, very simple. If you look in the left side menu, you can see that it appeared here in the menu. Now what you can do is go in the sites section here into all sites or add new and add as many new sites as you want in your network. And after you add these new sites, you can play with your new plugin. Now let me show you a little bit how it works. Okay, first I will go to the site section, to all sites, and these are all of the sites from my network. Okay, if you want to add a new site, okay, in the same subfolder on our hosting for our website, you just give it a new name. Let's say test just a second, test free. Okay, give it a new name, test free, English admin email. You can put in an email. I will just put this one as a test, add site, and we have added a new site. Okay, we can visit the dashboard of the new site. We can edit the new site. Basically, we can do whatever we want in the new site. Now, let me show you exactly how the plugin works. You have to go in the left side menu. And first of all, let's make all the necessary settings. Okay, here you will have the original settings. Choose post category, so which are the posts that you want to be able to copy and update and everything. Okay, you can select none, or you can select just some of them, but we will select all of them for now. And you can do the same thing for user roles. Okay, basically the plugin will allow you also to copy and set the same users, the same roles, the same administrators, contributors, absolutely everything. Okay, and you select which one of them you want to control with the plugin or not. Okay, and after that you select the required sites. Okay, the sites that you want to use the plugin for. And for example, let me just check the new one that I've just created. Okay, you can see it here. And that's about it. Okay, now let's press save changes. Okay, so all of these things we will be able to do for these websites. Now, if you go to Copysites original here you can basically control the content, copy and paste it on the different websites from your network. Okay, now let me show you an example. Let's say that we want to select content type and we want to copy a post. Now, what you see here applies for all of this type of content, right? So for example, let's select the posts, select the source website, the first one. Okay, item record per page, it's okay. Let's press the search button and this is it. Okay, here are all the posts that we have on this website. Okay, now what we can do, we can select all of them, or we can select, for example, let's say only this article and this article, right? And let's say this one as well. Now what we can do, we can select, you can see that we have more pages here with posts, so we can scroll to page number 2. Now what we can do here on destination blogs, we can select, for example, shopperideas.com/test-free, the one that I've just created, or we can select other websites as well. Okay, so basically these are all the websites that you select here are all of the websites where you will copy and paste these posts that you see here. But for now I will just select the new test that I've created. Okay, and you also have auxiliary options to attach media. If you have any media on that post, on that particular post, this will automatically attach that media, and terms, categories and tags. These are very useful because most likely you will have the same categories and tags for a certain post, okay, or you will want to put it in the same category and add the same tags to it. Okay, so this will do that automatically for you. Okay, now let me just press copy and update. Okay, I think it's done, right? Yeah, I think it's done. Let me just see the website. Let us test it. Okay, we copy it, open it in a new window for you guys. Okay, recent posts. Okay, World of Tanks, India versus Bangladesh, journey test. So you can see that it has created the new post. Okay, it has copied them automatically. Isn't that cool? I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Basically, it copied the post and put them here. Okay, now let me go back to the admin dashboard. So this is how it works. Now the same thing, for example, for pages, right? Let's select a different website, WordPress reactions. Okay, search. It works very much the same. Okay, so we have personalizer testing. Let's select the same website. Okay, with test free, and attach media, attach terms, copy, update. So what I want to do right now is see if it has created the page. Okay, I will go to all sites, I will go to my dashboard. Okay, and I will go to all pages. And this is it, personalizer testing. You can see that the new page appeared here, right? Which is absolutely amazing, guys. Okay, now to go back, I have to go to my sites here, network admin dashboard. Okay, so basically this is how it works. It works the same for users. Okay, you just have to select the source websites. I hope here we have some users. Okay, we have. So these are our users. Okay, and again we will put them in test free. We copy and update, and it should be just fine. Let us check the website, all sites. So this was our new website, right? We just go ahead and visit the dashboard, and let's go to users, and you can see it added the new users. So you can see how easy it is with this plugin basically to copy and paste everything or to update everything wherever you are, right? Now another cool thing that you can do is edit the pages directly and update them in all the other websites, okay, or edit the post or so on. For example, right now I'm in post, all post section, right? I press the edit button. I'm here on the page, and for example, okay, I can write something here like, I know, something like this, okay. And as you can see, select destination sites where you want to update the content. Here are basically the sites where it has been updated this post, okay, recently. And basically I can select all of them if I want. Okay, so select destination sites where you want to update the content. Attach, okay. And now if I press copy and update, and I will show you for shopper ideas that this will be updated, right? I just press the button copy and update it, and this will also appear on your pages basically everywhere. Okay, this plugin here. So you can update the content while you are editing it on all the websites at once. And this is pretty cool, right? Let me just copy update. Okay, item successfully copied or updated. Let me go to the network administrator dashboard, check the websites. Okay, shopperideas.com dashboard. Let's see the dashboard because I want us to check out that post. Okay, all posts, and I think this was the one. If I can, published 1 minute ago, so this should be the one. Let's just edit it. Okay, I don't think this was the one. Doesn't matter. I don't know, I think maybe this one was it. I cannot remember exactly, but okay, test free. Let me just try the other way around. Okay, copy update, test free, copy. Let's just update it for now. Okay, we have the new update, and now let's press copy update here. Okay. Let's go to the website that we want. Okay, all sites. And let's check out our test in the post section, all posts. Okay. This is it, guys. As you can see, this is very easy to use, and you can update your content, your pages, your posts, and absolutely everything in real time. Now let me go back to the dashboard. Actually, let me go back to the network administrator dashboard, okay, and to the plugin itself. So basically this is how you use this plugin. I hope that this will actually be very useful for you. You have seen that with this plugin, basically you can run a network of websites very easily inside of let's say your main website. You can copy and paste content like pages, posts, okay, users, even the roles of the users like the administrator, the editor, and so on. You can basically copy and paste them from one site to the other, and this will basically help you to save a lot of time because you don't have to go to each of the sites. You can administrate everything from here by using the plugin. Okay, you can go directly inside a post which is present on multiple websites and update it in one place, and then the updates will appear in all the places. So it's actually pretty cool in order to to run your network of websites, okay? And it will save you a lot of precious time. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and thank you for your attention. We hope this will be helpful for you and we are looking forward to see you in our next videos with our newest plugins.